This is the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd generation USB audio interface. And this thing is awesome. The cool thing about this device, it allows you to capture and control 2 devices simultaneously. On input 1 here, it's XLR only. There's a 48 volt button for phantom power if you have a microphone that needs phantom power. There's an air button on here that adds gain to high frequency bands. Some people like it, some people don't, but it's something you can experiment with. Input 2 is 1/4-inch jack, and it's got an instrument button, or you can use it as an instrument or line for another mic and use the 48 volt power, I believe. It's got the 2 gain control buttons on here. The cool thing about these is when it's in use, it'll light up green to let you know that you're okay. And if you get too high on your gain control, it'll turn red when it starts to clip. And each of the gain controls will do that. We've got the volume control here, the main volume control for the out. We've got a headphone jack, and you've got a monitor button that allows you to turn or turn off the monitoring. This thing is made out of metal. It's super strong. It's got 4 rubber feet on the bottom, so it won't slide around. It's about the size right here of a Samsung Galaxy S9, so it's small and compact. You got 2 1/4-inch jack outputs on the back to send to monitors if you want. And you've got a USB Type-C input. There's actually no power button on this. It only powers up once it's plugged into the device that you're using it with. It's a high-quality, versatile device that's great for recording with your favorite DAW or if you're podcasting. And it works great for playback with some high-quality studio monitors like these Rocket 5s. You get great quality out of these soft dome tweeters and great mid and bass out of the woofers. I like to put one of these on either side of me to triangulate the sound when I'm mixing. These are powered monitors, so each of them has a power jack on the, a power input on the back that you plug into your electric. And mine have RCA, XLR, and 1/4-inch jacks. And there's also some level and volume adjustments on the back. In my opinion, it's just a super great product for the price. I love these things.